for your elections. Nothing else. You don't have the guts to face people like us. That is the issue. The day you decide to face us politically, you will be a nobody. Because the truth will come out and the truth has to be told to the people. So हमारा मानना है the first step, और ये हम हुकूमत हिंद से नहीं कह रहे हैं, 5 अगस्त 2025 को दिल्ली से प्रेस क्लब ऑफ इंडिया से हम कह रहे हैं, to the Honorable Supreme Court of India, you saved the BJP from the actions that it took in the parliament on 5th and 6th August 2019 without the concurrence of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And the Honorable Supreme Court of India has saved you till now. आज तक उन्होंने आपको बचाया है. हमारे सामने जब हम 370 का केस लड़ रहे थे, चंद्रचूड़ साहब ने हमारे सॉलिसिटर जनरल साहब से कहा कि आप कब स्टेट को रिस्टोर करेंगे? और उनका जवाब था, सर, we will do it in the shortest possible time. So the question is, we ask today's Supreme Court and the Honorable Chief Justice, please explain to us in common language, what do you mean by this specified time? उस टाइम का तो कुछ स्पेसिफिकेशन होगा, वो क्या है? It is amended. So जिस तरह से Honorable Supreme Court ने, before I finish by just one sentence more, आपने इलेक्शन करवाया और आपने डायरेक्शन दी वहीं पे जहां पर हम खड़े थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, कि आपको 30 सितंबर या कौन सा डेट था वो अगस्त का, आपको इलेक्शन, you have to get it done. The same way, the people of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh तो अलग हो गया, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, they demand the Supreme Court of India should call the Solicitor General and tell him, you have said within the shortest possible time. What is shortest possible time? More than 6 years are gone. So we direct you to hold the election under so-and-so date and restore the statehood under so-and-so date and give back the state of Jammu and Kashmir, because it is a promise